Okay, this is the Revic BR4, and you'll see it's a ballistic rangefinder. So as we range something, it's 1398. It kicks out 57.2 MOA for that 40 pair, which happens to be my 40 caliber Peregrine muzzleloader. It's got an app, and I'll tie in the app here to this video. But the app, you go through and put in your parameters for your velocity, your bullet, and that ballistic calculator will tie into your rangefinder and give you a calculated MOA. So really handy. You can see just coming over here, maybe a little bit closer shot, 3.6 MOA at 121. That's high. I come over here and grab another one over here, 270, and that's about what I'm sighted in for at 250. There's 280. This is going to be a step above your kind of CDS turret type system, because we're getting temperature out of this, and we're getting atmospheric pressure. So it's real time, real altitude, giving you exactly what your drop's going to be. All right, well, we're now in the Revic app. So this is what the main screen looks like. We go into Profile Manager. That's where all the profiles are listed. For that gun we were just looking at, the 40 Peregrine. What I've been using is the zero angle. So that allows you to put in your atmospheric conditions during zero. You can also change it to zero range, but it's not going to be as refined. You go into zero angle, it's going to tie in your muzzle velocity, your zero range, your scope height, which is the center of the barrel to your center of your scope, and then down here to your environment. So I was set at manual. This is pulling from where I'm currently at, but my sighted in elevation was about 4,800. And then when you get all that done, you can calculate a zero angle. If I calculate one here, it's going to be a little bit different because the atmosphere or the environment conditions are a little different. I'm not going to set it though. I'm going to leave it as it was. Have our twist rate down here. And then if we go down to ammo, again, that's going to be your velocity. It's a muzzleloader, so it's using Blackhorn 209, which is a custom powder. They don't have that powder factor in there. And then the calculated G1, it's 0.46 in the bullet weight and the bullet length. So once you get all that done, you can come back in here. We can go to our ballistic calculator and we can select that profile for the 40 Peregrine. We can look at, I think saw like 160 yards, something like that. That should kick out about the same MOA readout that we were getting there. Now it also has a table view, so you can go in here and look at table. It's going to pull all your environmental conditions, and then you can look at your table view, and you can change that between MOA, and you can also change it to inches if you want to look at inch drop. So pretty handy. That's going to, when you want to sync up your device, you'd come in here to sync device, and then that's how you could load in your profiles. So again, when you're hunting with a rangefinder, you might as well use a ballistic rangefinder. They're going to cost you a little bit more, but it's going to save you in the long run. This BR4, you can hold up to about, I think, 10 profiles. And then if you go one step up and get the rangefinding binoculars, I think the BL209s, I'll have to look up that model name. Those are sweet, and you have your binoculars and your rangefinder all tied into one. We'll show another video with those and how they look.